Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'll discuss some more examples of spread and rest operators. So let us open Visual Studio Code, and here I'll create a new file. Let us say s7.js. First example of the spread operator is expanding arrays. So I'll create an array. Let us say it contains these four elements, semicolon, and then for spreading arrays use the spread operator. So console.log name of the array. So it should print all the elements of the array by spreading them. Then second example is combining arrays. So let us create another array containing some few more elements, and suppose we want to create the third array by combining these two arrays ARR and ARR1. So let us say it is ARR2 equal to spread operator name of the first array and comma spread operator name of the second array. Then we can print the second array, third array const console dot log ARR2. Similarly, we can copy one array into another array by using the spread operator. Spread operator, then name of the array, let us say it is our third array, ARR2. Now save this file. As the JavaScript file, let us say it is s7.js, and then run. So you can see the output. First array is 10, 20, 30 and 40. The second array is by merging these two arrays. And for the third array, let us print this ARR3, so then it will be displayed. And save the file, run it again. So you can see the output of printing the third array ARR3. In a similar manner, we can use the spread operator with objects also. Let us create an object const obj equal to curly bracket, and here the properties and values. Let us say name colon the value of the name, let us say this is abc, and then another property age, and then by using the spread operator we can add more properties. So let us create another object obj1 equal to, then use the curly bracket for the object. So here I'll just use triple dot for the spread operator, then obj comma another property, here we don't use these double quotes. Double quotes will be used in the property values. So city, let us add city, and you can give any value. Now let us print both the objects. obj obj1, save the file and clear the output and run this file again. So you can see these are the two objects. So in the similar way we can use the rest operator. So let us see some examples of the rest operator. Rest operator collects multiple values into a single array and it is commonly used in the function parameters. So we'll use our rest operator in the function parameter. Let us create another file. This is s8.js. So first example is for the reduce function, for calling the reduce function. So let us create a constant a equal to, provide the rest operator that will collect the elements and into an array n, for example, and since this is going to be an arrow function, so create this arrow and then call the reduce function using the array name. So reduce, and here we provide two arguments. First is the accumulator, then let us say num, and arrow. So a plus num initialized with 0, and then call this function, call and display the values. So call with the name, with the identifier a, then pass the parameters, let us say 10, 20 and 30, that will be collected in the array by the rest operator. Save this file s8.js and then let us run node s8.js. So it will give the sum of these three values 10, 20 and 30. Let us see more examples of the rest operator. So here in the next example we'll use it for the destructuring. Const and the destructuring, so this is f, this is s variable, and then rest of the elements will be collected in the variable rest, and here we give the array 10, 20, 30, 40. and more values. So the first few values will be assigned to the variables f and s, and all the remaining elements will be collected in the variable rest. So I can print it, console.log f comma s. First we print the first two variables, then the rest, then save the file, clear our terminal and run this script again. So you can see that the rest, first 60 will be the sum of these three elements, then 10 and 20 will be assigned to f and s, then rest of the elements will be assigned to the variable rest. So what are the key difference between spread and rest operator? Spread operator expands an array or object. Rest operator gathers multiple values into an array. Rest operator is used in arrays, objects and function calls. Spread operator is used in arrays, objects and function calls, and rest operator is used in for function parameters and destructuring. So we use the spread operator to expand elements, while we use the rest operator to collect elements. Same syntax, different use cases.